Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL ION X for Metro by T-Mobile. So the TCL ION X is now here at Metro as of January 25th. So it is now available. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone, here you guys go. This is the same phone as the TCL 30Z, and also this phone is also available at Cricket as the ION Z. So that's pretty interesting there. So it is now available in space black, 32 gigabytes of storage there. So yeah, there's the phone right there. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so keep that in mind. So you guys got your earpiece there, front facing camera there, nice looking wallpaper. I do like the clock a lot. I am a big fan of the clock there. So yeah, power button bang is on the right side of the phone. The left side of the phone. Not sure if I can't tell if there's anything on the left side of the phone because it's kind of hard to see there. On the back of the TCL ION X, you guys got a single rear camera, camera flash. I don't know what this is right here. You guys got like a textured back. TCL logo there on the back. Right side, like I said, power button bang key. So yeah. The ION X is free reporting. So if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get this phone for free. The full retail price is $119.99. So yeah. So it's $30 more than the Cricket version, which Cricket was selling that phone for $90. Metro was selling this one for $120. So it's pretty interesting there. Features: 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera, 17.3 days of talk, 17.3 hours of talk time, 24 days of standby time, 6-inch display, HD plus, 1440 by 720 pixel resolution. Other features include 6-inch HD plus display, face unlock protection, MediaTek octa-core processor, 3000 mAh battery, which is putrid as fuck, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and 4G LTE. There is no 5G on this phone. Okay. So it said the TCL ION X provides powerful performance with striking detail on a 6-inch HD plus display featuring an impressive 85% screen to body ratio. Experience reliable 4G LTE connectivity, and expect seamless performance with the MediaTek octa-core processor paired with 3 gigabytes of RAM. Carry more of what you love with 32 gigabytes of storage that can be expanded up to 512 gigabytes via micro SD card. The robust 3000 mAh battery will keep up with your daily demands and allow you to go all day worry free, regardless of whether you are using the 13 megapixel main camera for business or pleasure. It always captures stunning images, while the 5 megapixel front camera enables you to participate in video calls with stunning clarity, keeping you in touch wherever you are. You can rest easily knowing that your personal information and files are safe, or your personal information and files are secure thanks to face unlock biometric security. Alright. So there is cons to this phone, of course. It's a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. The biggest con is it has one rear camera and the 3000 mAh battery. That's a big con, especially in 2023. That is putrid as hell. So yeah. Specs: 3000 mAh battery, which is putrid as fuck. You will get a headphone jack, Type-C charging, Wi-Fi connections, 8 to 11 ABG and an AC. Bluetooth, I'm gonna say Bluetooth 5.0, I guess. A MediaTek processor, that's just octa-core. Android 12, I believe it's on here, Android 12. 3 GB of RAM, 512 GB of RAM micro SD, 4G LTE. Hearing aid compatibility is there. Wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, frequencies, weight 6 ounces. The depth is 0.35 inches, height 6.16 inches, width 2.96 inches. Alright. What comes in your box is your charger, Type-C cable, quick start guide, product safety information, terms and conditions, and your battery. So I'm assuming that the battery is removable, so that is very nice. So you send itself in the box there, so nothing special there. So yeah, there you guys have it, the TCL ION X is now here at Metro. It is now available for a free report-in over 2019-99. So yeah, this is the budget smartphone. This one's available on Cricket as well. Cricket has 2 versions of this phone. Don't know why Cricket has 2 versions of the same phone, but it is what it is. It's basically a TCL 30Z. That's basically what this phone is. This phone has been rebranded so many times on prepaid, it's not even funny. So now Metro has their own version of here, the ION X. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever the case may be, y'all gotta check this phone out here. The biggest cons in my opinion about the phone is that the battery is small as fuck, 3000 milliamps. That's putrid as hell. And there is only 1 rear camera in the back of the phone there, so that's also a con as well, especially in 2023. So it is what it is, guys. So do not expect much from this phone here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.